So now we have Turd-Munching Thompson's brother, Ted Whaler, the fart gas inhaler, who cheats the line of traffic of all of us who waited patiently for these left turn lanes. Like a crusty jizz stain, he is determined to get ahead of everyone, no matter how fast above the limit it takes. Now he's tailgating the crap out of us and impersonating a hemorrhoid at 65 miles per hour and a 55. We don't normally honk in situations like this, but he had it coming after his lengthy Academy Award-winning douchebaggery act.